Stop weight gain today. Grab your 8-week custom keto meal plan now. This custom meal plan service was designed to help men and women all over the world turn their lives around and take charge of their health and figure. A brand new product that allows someone to create their very own keto diet plan based on their food preferences, daily activity levels, height, weight, and target weight goals. An 8-week meal plan created based on the expertise of certified nutritionists, personal trainers, and chefs. Meals that have calorie and macronutrient content tailored to their specific situation and goals. A nutrition plan with food variety to ensure they will get a wide range of nutrients and boost the likelihood of sticking to their diet. Meals that are based on personal food preferences to make their diet enjoyable and help them stay on track with their plan. Detailed recipes with step-by-step instructions to make meal preparation super simple, no prior cooking experience needed. A downloadable shopping list each week that details every needed ingredient they will need in the upcoming 7 days. Transform your body into something you are actually proud of rather than something you have always tried to cover up. This plan has helped thousands of people shed excess weight around the hips, thighs, and tummy. Click the link below this video to take the free quiz and get your 8-week fully customized keto meal plan plus deliciously easy keto recipes ebook.